Hey everyone, and welcome to the video tutorial for the economic calendar section of the membership site. In this video tutorial, I'm going to go over the economic calendar, how you guys can use this on a daily basis. Now this is a really cool feature that we've added here at Option Alpha, and I really wanted to take the time to go over this, and I've been using this economic calendar for a long time now, and actually got permission from Forex Pros to add this calendar to our site. So this is a really good tool, and I just wanted to make sure that this is on the site for you guys every day so you guys can have the same data available. Now the first thing I wanted to go over on this economic calendar is the date range. You can see here that you can actually filter this calendar by date range and see the next couple days calendar. So right now it's October 14th. I could easily select the 15th here and see what economic reports and announcements are coming out on the 15th. You can also filter the results by currency pair that it's going to affect. So mainly we want to focus on the US dollar and the euro, obviously, but if you have some other trading that you want to do in the yen or the Canadian dollar or the Great British Pound, then you can obviously focus and filter those results. The last thing we can do is filter the results by importance level, so we can take out the least important reports and just focus on the most important reports of the day. Now, back to the calendar here. Really, the best feature of this economic calendar is its ability to show you the actual forecast previous for all of these events and reports. So let's focus in on here today, and you can see that at 8:30 this morning, we actually had a very important report here, judged by the importance level. The initial jobless claims came out. And you can see that the actual figure came in less, and you can see that it's a downside surprise here in red, because the forecast was for 449,000 and the previous was actually 449,000, and yet the initial jobless claims came in at 462. The other great feature is that you can click this plus box here and get a little bit more information on this particular report. So you can see I've clicked the plus box, and now this drop down opens up and it gives you a lot of detailed information about the initial jobless claims. Here's another description of what happened. You can see here again it affects the US markets, namely. Here's a nice description of what the jobless claims report looks like and what it actually means for the market. If we go down just a little bit further here, you can see that we have more details of where the report comes from. So you can see we get this report from the Department of Labor. If I click on this chart here, it gives us an actual historical view of where these reports have been historically over the last couple of months. And then if I want some detailed explanation of these reports, then I click on this history, and you can see all the previous release dates and if we've had any surprises to the upside or downside. So you can see that actually this report today is actually one of the very few surprises to the downside that we've had historically speaking. So again, this is a great tool for you guys, this economic calendar. It's a really great way to keep on top of all the reports, to look out just a couple days and see what might be coming in the market and keep ahead of the market.